Hey, Dean, and good afternoon, Dr. Jones. My name is Jerry Rose. I'm the owner of Localology, a Columbia-based digital marketing and reputation management agency, and I specialize in search engine optimization. Now, I want to share some value with you gentlemen this afternoon, and I want to do that by showing you a few things you can do to improve your Google ranking. Now, as you see, here's your website. Looks great. It could be a bit more dynamic if you were interested in updating it, but that doesn't really matter. What matters is what your website is telling Google. Now, did this search for Columbia Chiropractor. As you can see here, you guys are ranked 13th. And I did another search, slight variation on that keyword phrase, chiropractors in Columbia, South Carolina. And you're ranked 16th in this search. Unfortunately, 70% of the people don't get past the first page when they're searching for a product or services. So let's look at what your website is telling Google it wants to be ranked for. This is our SEO scanner tool. You can see these are the scan results for your website, midlandshealth.com. And the first thing Google sees when it scans your website is your title tag. And right now it says your title tag is too long and needs to be between 70 and 10 characters, and yours just a bit longer. But what matters is what your title tag is telling Google it wants to be ranked for. Right now it's saying Midlands Health Center, 3106 Divine Street, Columbia. When people are searching for your service or for a chiropractor, which is your keyword, they're not searching for the specific name of your business. They're searching for a keyword, which would be chiropractor or back pain or even massage. Now, the second thing Google sees when it scans your website is the meta description. And again, your meta description does not contain a keyword or keyword phrase. So this needs to be changed as well. Now, your header tags are very important as well. You actually don't have a H1 header tag, and your H2 tag simply says patients. So these are just a few things that needs to be changed in order to rank higher in Google. And as I said earlier, that's exactly what I do. If you're not interested in taking this task on yourself, I would be glad to help you gentlemen. Dean knows how to get in contact with me, but I'll include my name, phone number, and actually a calendar link when I send you an email. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hope you have a great afternoon.